We can use the offset tool to make parallel lines from walls, arcs, or other lines of the drawing. For this, I have to click on the offset tool. Then I can input the distance in which the parallel lines will be drawn, and then I can choose a different color for those lines if I want to. With the offset tool active, I just have to click on an existing entity from the project to select the reference line and then the direction of the parallel line. The new line will be drawn with the indicated distance. This can be done very easily and fast, selecting an existing line and then the direction of the offset. If I want to change the offset distance, I just have to type a new value and keep doing the same process. I can even do a sequence of offsets by clicking in the same direction as many times as I want.